Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. I'd like to share with you a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX, optioned with a black hull and black bimini, an ivory and chocolate interior, non-skid flooring throughout, and powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower outboard motor. This is a great boat and one of the most popular we sell here at MarineMax. This boat has a capacity as 12 people and stands as one of the most spacious 21-foot boats you'll find anywhere for both passenger seating and for storage. As we get to the middle of the boat, you'll see this particular model has dual helm seats. And as we get to the helm, you'll see easy to read analog gauges, which can also be replaced with various electronic packages if you so desire. There is, however, a standard digital depth gauge. And as you can see, it also has a Fusion stereo system. The bow section includes more seating and storage, as well as another set of speakers. And if you'd like to learn more, discuss pricing and options, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. This is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.